Did I sign this wrong? Why did I twist the UR like this? I will explain. ASL has many different aspects, one of which is fingerspelling. Fingerspelling has subparts, which includes lexicalized fingerspelling. This is one example among many of lexicalized fingerspelling. When you see lexicalized fingerspelling, you will notice a few handshapes change. This is because it flows better. For example, flower. Why the twist? U and R look similar. We often add the twist to distinguish between them. UR or UR. This specific movement means we are transitioning from U to R. I'll give you examples. That's for U to R. Here's another example. Why does E look like this? Did you notice how E was signed like this? Why? Let's look carefully at the word oven. The letter E is sandwiched between V and N. Those letters affect the E, so it becomes this, because we are transitioning from V to E to N. The E is already going into the N. V also already affected the E, so it becomes this. O to V to E to N flows better. That's only scratching the surface on lexicalized fingerspelling. Maybe you're thinking, but I haven't learned that in my ASL class. Remember, when learning new languages, English, Spanish, Chinese, etc., you don't learn overnight. Learning is a process, just like with ASL. ASL has multiple components and rules. As you go, you'll pick up these more advanced aspects. Keep learning.